to my sexy office. I'm LiWen from Dance Insanity, and today we're doing the cha. Cha. We're gonna be working on locks, fans, and some forward walk turnings. What are those? If you don't know, don't worry. We're gonna get to them. Shall we get started? You need a strong foundation for your dancing. That's why today we're gonna work on 3 foundational steps in the cha-cha-cha. Not just that, I'm gonna put them together in a little routine that you can do over and over and over and over and over again. So you drill them into your body and get your cha-cha foundation super strong. First, a lock step. It's not just any lock step, a back lock step. We'll go back with the left foot, cross the right foot, and back on the left. Now, the second step we're gonna do is a close, also called the follower's fan. And very simply, it's a closing of your right foot to your left foot and a switching of your weight. Next step we're gonna do is a forward walk, followed by a turn, what I call the forward walk turning. So those are the 3 foundational steps we're going to be working on in this routine. Let's see that again. Your weight is on your right foot. Now you go back on the left in a back lock. Back, cross, back. Fan, close your right to your left. Switch your weight. Forward walk turning. Left foot steps forward and turn on that foot. Now, I'm not gonna break down the back lock step, because I've already done it in another video. I'm gonna leave the link right here, as well as in the description below, so you can check it out. Let's see that fan position. I'm gonna turn towards you and you just watch for a second. Yeah, the way I'm gonna bring my feet together, because that's a critical point. Your weight's on the left foot. You bring your right foot to close, and notice my feet position, as well as my toe position. Ankles are together and toes are pointing outwards. Now from here, I'm gonna switch my weight. Notice I'm still keeping that position of ankles together, toes pointing outwards. And that is super important for this particular fan step. Now, from the back, your weight is on the left foot. And you're gonna bring your ankles together first. Keep your weight on the left foot. Then switch your weight into the right foot. Left foot steps forward. Then you're gonna do half a turn on the left foot. Keep your right toe where it is as you turn around. Now let's see that all together. Back lock on the left. 3 steps, followed by a closing of the fan. Forward walk turning, left foot forward. Half a turn. Let's see that with counts now. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This first section that we've just done is usually done by the follower. So it's very common, and that's why it makes a lot of sense to just work that one side, right? Wrong! Because now one side is going to be so much stronger than the other side. So that's why we're also going to take this little pattern and do it on the other side. So you're practicing it equal amounts. And if you're a leader thinking to yourself, that's just the follower's part. Why should I do this? Wrong answer. Because as the leader, you are the driver, your beautiful luxury car, your follower. So working on this step and walking in her shoes is going to give you the understanding of what she needs. And it's going to make you a much more sought after leader. And I think you want that. Okay, now let's see it on the right side. Weights on the left foot. Back lock on the right. Back, cross, back. From here, bring your left foot in. Then switch your weight onto the left. A forward walk with the right. And a half a turn. Still staying on the right foot. Let's see that side one more time. And weight is on your left foot. Going back on the right, go back, cross, back. Bring your left foot into close, switch your weight. forward walk, half a turn. I'm going to show that to you actually from the back. And back, cross, back, close, forward walk, dramatic half a turn. Now let's do those two patterns, back to back. Start with your weight on the right foot. Oops, weight's on your right foot. Hold 2, hold 3, back 4, and 1. Close 2. Weight on the right, ankles together. Forward 3, half a turn 4. Hold 1, hip bump here. 2, 3. Ready for your back walk on the right foot. 4 and 1. Close 2. Ankles together. Forward 3. Half a turn 4. Hold 1. Feel your legs nice and long and straight. From here, hip bump, left side. Forward and forward. What if I told you that within 30 days, you can massively improve your dancing? Oops, I got too excited. I'll tell you more about that later on in this video. Now let's see that with counts, just a little bit faster. We hold 2, 3, back 4, and 1. Close 2, forward 3, half a turn 4, hold your 1, bump 2, bump 3, and 4, and 1, close 2, forward 3, turn 4, hold it again, we go bump 2, bump 3, and 4, and 1, close 2, forward 3, turn 4, hold your 1, we dance hip 2, 3, back 4, and 1, close it 2, forward 3, turn 4, hold 1, last bump and 2, last bump 3. Nice. Let's let loose with some cha-cha music. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Let's see from another angle. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. And that was Footwork Friday, Sexy Office Style. So, what was that 30-day thing I was telling you about? Let's find out. I have a 30-day Cha-Cha challenge, which takes you from day 1 all the way through 30 days of Cha-Cha training. What it requires is really commitment, and you will see your dancing massively transform just within 30 days. If you don't believe it, then all the more you have to try it to find out. The link is right here in this very corner of the video. Dun-dun-dun! Click on it. One last thing you gotta do before you take off is to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Give our video a big thumbs up so that we know you like our content. Thank you to all of those of you who have already subscribed to our channel and support us by liking our videos consistently and also commenting. You know who you are. We so appreciate it. We're committed to making you the best dancer possible. I'm LiWen from Dance Insanity. LiWen or LiWen, which is my Chinese name from Dance Insanity, and I will see you in the next video.